Hey everyone, Alex from cnc-o-rama here, and whether you're a new user or a seasoned user of Fusion, I have 7 settings for you that are going to make your life better. First, we want to make Fusion look less like this and more like this. So the first thing we're going to look at is the environment. So that's the background color up here. So if we look down here, we have our display. I'm going to go to environment. I prefer gray room for this. Second thing I want to look at is the layout grid. So if we come down here to the grids and snaps and just uncheck layout grid, to me that's a much cleaner look. And that grid isn't really helping us. The third thing is the theme, and that's the elusive dark mode. So let's check that out. If we go into preferences, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to preview features. And this is, in the future, if you're watching this, this might be a default enabled thing, but currently this is a preview feature. So you got to find UI themes and turn this on. And then if you come up to general, the theme, you want to set dark blue and then apply and OK. The fourth thing is component colors. So if we come up here to utilities and select display component colors, this will give really nice colors to all of our components, and each component will be a separate color, which makes it really easy to see everything. The fifth thing is units. And if you've been using Fusion for a while, you probably have this figured out already. But if you're a first-time user, we want to go again into preferences. And then we have default units for design, manufacture, simulation. So if you're in the US like I am, you probably want these all set to English or inch units. The sixth item is our pan, zoom, and orbit controls. So again, we're going to go into preferences here. And this is going to be in general. If we scroll down, pan, zoom, orbit shortcuts. So you can choose what you like. I prefer SolidWorks because it's the most standard, and it works just like SolidWorks. It works just like Mastercam. So if you're coming from any of those other softwares, this is going to be totally natural for you. The seventh and final item is cloud libraries. So if we again go into our preferences, and we want to look for manufacture here, and click enable cloud libraries, apply and OK. So cloud libraries allow you to save tool tables, machines, and all those kind of things in the cloud so you can use them at any computer. This seems like it should be a default and an obvious thing, but it's actually kind of not obvious, and it's really nice once you have it turned on. So I hope these settings help you guys. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you, and come again.